Hey guys.
Hey guys, welcome to the Felicia Queen. We're going to be making starters.
Edible slime.
And you're going to see me clever fit and eat it. And right now I'm just putting some starters in.
Okay.
Just wrapping out the starburst, and this is how it looks.
Okay.
So
Put it in
now
there.
I did a few off camera, and I'm adding 3 more.
Almost had it. It landed almost. It went that way, then it turned back around.
Yeah, guys, we just got scared for a minute because we thought we saw something that went there and it turned back around, so we have the door open.
Okay, that's enough. So we're gonna put it in the microwave for 30 seconds.
seconds, guys. 30 seconds, guys. Ooh, all the same way. Run it up back. This. Wait. While it's moving, it's time to do a TikTok. So it's mixed and good with TikTok.
Like that. It's gonna look like that.
And now we have
mix
to
it.
mix it with a...
Oh Lord, it's hot. I almost burnt
Mom,
myself.
some is not melted.
That's okay. I'm only gonna do 30 seconds this time. I say so. Mix it up. Be careful. And you're gonna take some powdered sugar.
The bowl is not hot. This is how it looks.
And I'm gonna get the tray ready for her.
It's like a... Oh, the pink is taking over. I'm happy. Pink is my favorite color. It's like an orangey peach, you know? So the pink is taking over. This is how it looks. And good, just mix it with a spoon or spatula. Anything you have to mix this. And guys, if all of the starburst doesn't melt when you first put it in for 30 seconds, put it in for the second 30 seconds so all of it can melt. On the right way to see something is not about you.
Okay, we're gonna move this right along.
And we're gonna go fast because your battery is slow. Oh,
Come on.
wow, your battery at 15.
Yeah.
The
So
battery is at 15 and the back of this bowl is really hot, so I'm trying to hurry
let me do
up.
this part because it's hot. Go ahead. So
I'm gonna grab.
move your hand. Move your hand.
And guys, the
Move
more
your hand, BB. It's hot. It is hot. Yeah, unless you want to get burned, and I don't want you to get burned. So we're gonna.
and the more you put it in butter, the more this is gonna hurt the harden.
So I'm just gonna mix it up for her with the spatula.
Yeah, and I'm gonna put some butter.
And why was you
on
looking
it.
at me like that, girl?
But
I was trying to warn you. So this is, and you're gonna need adult supervision, guys.
yeah, but if you're a kid doing this by yourself, be careful. If you're a teenager, yeah, you can.
And you don't
definitely
have to take a lot of starburst. You could just take a few.
do this.
This is a small batch.
Do
So
this by yourself.
look at this.
Yeah, if you're a teenager, but if you're a grown up, yeah, you consider this. Is this hot?
So
not that
I think
hot.
that's enough powdered sugar because you
Yeah,
made
because
it real
we don't.
hard.
Yeah.
And
so-
just some powdered sugar, guys. I'm about
And
to
it's
go.
really soft. Why? 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 Because I'm not really messing with slime. I like to play with my hands because my hands are out.
I was trying to warn her because it gets real hot and you could burn yourself.
Yeah.
So
Like I'm not burning myself with this so hot.
make sure your hands is clean too, guys, because this is edible.
You use sanitizer?
No, just soap and water, no sanitizer. This is edible. So this is how it looks, stretchy, and it's hot. It's warm.
That tastes so good.
So
Taste some.
no, not now. So we're not gonna be long, guys. We hope you
we
have
got
a
more.
safe Memorial Day, and I got a little bit more, so I'm gonna get that out for her. And just use a microwave. This is microwave safe container.
And be careful not to burn your tongue.
Yes, be careful.
If you burn your tongue, drink apple juice or
That's
water.
it. We did the first one, but it got too hard, so it just hard like a rock. This one is softer. So I'm just doing this for her. Wait, I want to show them something. So, like
and it
that.
acts like slime.
Yeah, be careful.
It's
So I'm about
hot,
to go,
but I can
guys.
handle
Love
it.
you guys. Be safe.
Peace out.
And watch out for another video, and we're going to do it with now laters. See how that works. I
And
will
then
let
we're
you
going
guys
to do
know.
it with sour starburst.
Yes. That's fun one. Peace out, guys. We love you. Have a safe Memorial Day. Go ahead, BB. Sign out.
Peace out.